Turkey marked the first international sale of its Anka medium-altitude long-endurance UAV to Tunisia along with armored vehicles and electro-optical systems altogether worth $150 million TL $1.14 billion. Turkey's Presidency of Defense Industries (SSB) Chairperson Ismail Demir said Thursday that the last days of the year saw a high amount of defense industry exports from Turkey to Tunisia. Under the coordination of the SSB, 5 local defense firms exported $150 million TL $1.14 billion worth of products. Turkey's Presidency of Defense Industries (SSB) Chairperson Ismail Demir said in a post on Twitter. The products include Turkish Aerospace Industries (TAI) Anka medium-altitude long-endurance (MALE) UAVs, BMC's Kirpi mine-resistant ambush-protected (MRAP) vehicle, Nurol Makina's Ejder Yalçın armored vehicles, various Katmerciler vehicles such as tankers and tanks, and ASELSAN's electro-optic systems. The products are for Tunisian security forces, Demir said, adding that this was the outcome of a defense industry cooperation meeting with Tunisian officials via videoconference. The export of the Anka UAVs is the first time the product has been sold abroad. TAI will deliver 3 Anka UAVs and 3 ground control systems to the Tunisian Air Force Command, according to a previous report by Turkish online news site Haberturk. The financing of the exports will be provided through Turk Exim Bank. The bank is to provide $80 million in loans to Tunisia, the Haberturk report stated. 52 Tunisian pilots and maintenance personnel will be given the necessary training at TAI facilities in the capital Ankara.